Welcome to my channel. In this question, we are to find the value of y. Now, to find the value of y, this question, this 3 raised to power y times 3 raised to power y is written in this form. A raised to power m dot a raised to power n. So we want to write it in this form. It is the same, m plus n, a raised to power m plus n. So since they are in the same base, so we are going to write it 3 raised to power y plus y equals to 90. So we'll have 3 raised to power 2y equals to 90. Now we are going to introduce log to both sides of this equation. So we have log 3 raised to power 2y equals to log 90. Now this 2y will come to the base. We have 2y log 3 equals to log 90. So let us divide both sides of this equation by log 3. The essence of dividing by log 3 is that we are trying to make y here the subject of the formula. Let's divide. This is divided by log 3 all over log 3. So log 3 cancels log 3. We have 2y equals to log 90 all over log 3. Now the next thing we are going to do, this 90, we are going to write it in this form. This is log PQ. Is the same as log P plus log Q in logarithmic law. So we'll write this 90 in this form. So 2y equals to log 9 times 10 all over log 3. 9 times 10 is the same as 90. So we'll write it in this form now. 2y will be equals to log 9 plus log 10 all over log 3. This is 9. Let's write it as 3 raised to power 2. This will have 2y equals to log of 3 raised to the power of 2 plus log 10 all over log 3. So 2y will be equals to, this 2 here will come to the base. We have 2 log 3 plus log 10 all over log 3. The next thing we are to do, we are going to divide these 2 by log 3. So let's arrange it to avoid confusion. We have 2y equals to 2 log 3 all over log 3 plus log 10 all over log 3. Now this log 3 cancels this log 3. We now have 2y equals to 2 plus log 10 all over log 3. Now we want to make y the subject of the formula here. So for us to have only y left here, we have to divide the two sides of this equation by 2. This 2, so we divide it by 2. We divide this by 2. When we divide this by 2, we are going to have 1 over 2 here. So 2 cancels 2, we have y. 2 cancels 2, we are left with 1 plus 1 over 2 log 10 all over log 3. So now we are going to write this log 10 all over log 3 in this form. We will write it in this form. Log AB, and B here is the base and A is the 10. So we have y equals to 1 plus 1 over 2 log 10 to base 3. Now let us check if y equals to 1 plus 1 over 2 log 10 to base 3. Let us check if it satisfies this equation. This 3 raised to power y times 3 raised to power y equals to 90. Let us substitute y here into this formula and see if it will give us 90. So let me write out the question. 3 raised to power y times 3 raised to power y equals to 90. Now we have 3 raised to power 1 plus, now I'm substituting the y now, plus 1 over 2 log 10 to base 3. We come over to this one, we do the same thing. Raised to power 1 plus 1 over 2 log 10 to base 3. Is it equals to 90? So we are going to write, now this work is in this form. A raised to power m plus n. We are going to write it is the same thing as being in this form. So we are going to arrange this 3 raised to power 1 over plus 1 over 2 log 3 in this form. So we'll write it 3 raised to the power of 1. We don't need to write the 1 there. And then we also write 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2 log 10 to base 3. Now we are through with this first one. We'll come to the second one. We'll do the same thing, 3. And then 3 raised to the power 1 over 2 log 10 to base 3. Is it equals to 90? Now, this will also be written as 3 and then 3. This 1 over 2 will come over here. We'll have log 10 raised to power 1 over 2 to base 3. We still have this 3 here. We repeat the same thing. This and this one are the same. 3 raised to power 1 over 2 log 10 to base 3. We still have the same 1 raised to power 1 over 2 here. Log 10 to base 3 is it equals to 90. We repeat the same thing we did here. We raise this 10 to the power of 1 over 2. 3 log 10 raised to power 1 over 2 to base 3. Is it equals to 90? Now, we are going to use this law of indices. A log B to base A equals to B. Now, this is A now. We have 3 here and we have 3 here. The 3 is the A. And this 10 raised to power 1 over 2 is the B. So the final answer here using this law will be B. So it's going to give us 10. So let's substitute this into this place, into this 3 raised to power log 10 to the power of half to base 3. So we have 3. The 10 will replace 10 raised to power 1 over 2 times this 3 again, and then the same thing here, 10 raised to power 1 over 2. Is it equals to 90? So this is the same as 3 times the square root of 10 times the 3 again times the square root of 10. Is it equals to 90? So now 3 times 3 is 9. The square root of 10 times the square root of 10 is 10. Is it equals to 90? So 9 times 10 is 90. You see that it is equals to 90. So this question, so this answer we got here satisfies this question. Now, when we substituted it, we have 90 equals to 90. So our work is very correct. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel to encourage me to make more videos like this. Thank you. Bye.